All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick tutorial on how you are going to take your data from your hole in the tolerance blocks and actually turn that into a frequency chart. I'm going to use your data from your Trammel toy to give you this example because you haven't crunched the numbers yet on the student data from the Trammel or the tolerance block hole. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first I have ordered this data already. So you need to have it so that way you can only see, let me try and get rid of that, hide that, close that. All right. So you should already have listed these in order. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. We're going to go data, sort range from A to Z, column A. You should only have one hole per page when you're doing this, by the way. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to create a heading for this. I'm just going to call that value because I want to know what all the values that occur here are. Okay. Then I'm going to want to know the frequency of those. So how many times that number came up. So I should see 2 on that one, just like I do there. Should see 2 on that one, just like I do there. Okay. We don't want to have to count this by hand, and that's what most of the tutorials tell you to do. I'm going to have you have this be done by Google Sheets. So to figure out our values, I'm going to type in equals unique. Okay. Now it's looking for unique values. And I'm just going to go ahead and select column A, close the parentheses, and hit enter. Okay. Now it popped up with length as a unique value. That's fine at this point. Now, what we want to do is we want to come over here and we want to know how many times that happens. And so we are going to use the command count if. Count if. We are going to count if it's equal to this. So we're counting this if it's equal to this. So what I want to do first is tell it what I want to count. Okay, that's the column. Now I'm going to hit a comma. And now I'm going to go ahead and select the cell that I want this to be done as. And then I'm going to go ahead and close my parentheses and hit enter. And it tells me 1. Okay? Now, you can go ahead and type that in and do that 100 times. Or you can grab that thing and drag it on down. Okay? And now that's providing me with my frequency count. So that way you don't have to try and count all of these things by hand. So hopefully this helps you out. Now you should be able to go and follow the instructions on your histogram tutorials. Take care.